Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Facebook Marketplace. It's a fantastic platform to declutter your home and earn some extra cash. We'll walk through the entire process, from creating an eye-catching listing to successfully completing a sale. You'll learn how to present your items effectively, communicate with potential buyers, and ensure a smooth transaction. Get ready to turn your unused items into valuable assets with these easy-to-follow steps. To start, great photos are key. Take several clear, well-lit pictures of your item from different angles, highlighting its best features and any imperfections. Next, craft a detailed and honest description. Include important information like the item's condition, dimensions, and any unique characteristics. Finally, set a fair and competitive price and make sure to select the most accurate category for your listing. A well-prepared listing attracts more serious buyers. Once your item is listed, be ready to engage with potential buyers. Respond to messages promptly and politely, as quick replies show you're a serious seller. Be prepared to answer any questions they might have about the item, its history, or its condition. When it's time to arrange a pickup or meeting, always choose a safe and convenient location for both parties. Clear and friendly communication builds trust and helps move the sale forward smoothly. Finally, it's time to complete your sale. Before the exchange, confirm the payment method with your buyer. For safety, especially with in-person transactions, consider meeting in a public place. Once the item has been exchanged and payment received, make sure to mark your item as sold on Facebook Marketplace. This helps keep your listings organized and prevents further inquiries. Congratulations, you've successfully sold an item and made some extra money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.